Hello students. So in last video we have seen how to integrate the substitution. How to integrate the method of substitution. Now we have seen one example also in the same exercise, but the type was different. The type was integral of the line a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus b cos x. In this type of functions, if you have this type of integration function, then how to integrate this? That also we have seen. Numerator we have to replace by a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. This is how we have to simplify this. It means your numerator we have to replace by two new terms, that is a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. And on the basis of that we have seen one example also. Similarly, we will take one more example, but the given example, the second example which is given, which is not exactly in this form. But we have to convert the given example in that form, and then we have to proceed further, like to find the value of a and b, and then we will integrate this. So I have simplified this example for you. I will just explain this how I did this. So example is 1 by 2 plus 3 tan x. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 3 tan x. This is not in the form of a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x. This is not in that form. So what I did is, this tan I can convert in terms of sin and cos. So what is the tan is? Tan is nothing but sin by cos. Correct? So what I did, tan phi I converted into sin by cos. Then cos I multiplied with this 2. So what I got, 2 cos x, and this 3 multiplied into 3 sin. And denominator wala cos x as it is. Then this cos x has shifted to the numerator, so it will multiply to 1. So it will become cos x only. And 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Sin cut I have written first 2 cos x, then after sin x. So how will the function look like in real form? Integration cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx. Now, if you compare this given equation of this simplified expression with this, still you are not getting in the same form. So what we are missing here? Here we don't have x of sin wala term. So can we assume it is 0 sin x? Correct? We can assume here it is 0 sin x. No need to write 0 sin x. But if you want to assume, or if you want this expression in the same form as it is, so we can take 0 sin x here for comparison. Okay, so this is your expression in simplified form. Now, cos x is the only term in the numerator. Okay, so let's find out the value of a and b by replacing your numerator by two new terms in the denominator. Okay, so numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Correct? So cos x. This was your denominator and this is derivative of denominator. See, 3 sin x का derivative 3 cos x. Cos x का derivative minus 2 sin x. Okay, derivative of denominator is also there. Now a multiply here, so 3a, then 2a, then b multiply here 3b, and then minus 2b. I have done it. Right? As we have to find out the value of a and b, so we want our both the terms or both the equation in terms of a and b only. So what I will do, I will combine the coefficient of sin x and coefficient of cos x. So coefficient of sin x is 3a and minus 2b. Then coefficient of cos x are 2a and 3b. That I have taken in one bracket. Right? But don't forget your left side is just cos x. We don't write sin x here, but don't forget sin x ke saath 0 is always there on the left side. So if you want to compare with the coefficient of sin x, you can compare that with 0. Okay, so what we got, cos x is equal to 3a minus 2b sin x plus 2a plus 3b cos x. Okay, now what we will do, this compare coefficient of sin x with sin x from right to left, comparing coefficient of cos x from right to left. Here cos sin ka coefficient is 0 on the left side, so we compare with this 0, sin ka coefficient is 3a minus 2, right? Then cos ka coefficient is 1 here on the left side, so here cos ka coefficient is 2a plus 3, that also we have written. Okay. Now I simplified both for a and b. A equal to 2 by 30, b is 3 by 30. So both a and b we got. Now where will we put that a and b? That a and b will put here. Okay. See, 2 by 30 for a and b is nothing but 3 by 30. So I got, so left side numerator value I can replace by these two new terms in the integration function. Okay. So let's rewrite the function again by replacing this by these two new terms. Okay. So integration 2 by 13 3 sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 by 13 3 cos x minus 2 sin x. Okay, and denominator 3 sin x plus 2 cos x as it is. Now there are two different terms in the numerator, so I can separate my denominator for both the terms into numerator. correct? So 2 by 13 and 3 by 13 are constant, so we'll keep them outside the integration. 2 by 13, 3 by 13. 3 sin plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin plus 2 cos x I have written here. Okay? Then 3 cos x minus 2 sin is divided by 3 sin x plus 2 cos x also we have written here. Correct? So this like term we can cancel out. So what we get here only one. Then this term as it is here, if you see 3 sin x का value to 3 cos x, 2 cos x का value to minus 2 sin x. Correct? So derivative of denominator is in the numerator is also there. So here we have used this formula, derivative of integration f of x का derivative if it is in the numerator, so you can write the integration directly log fx plus c. Correct? So integration of this 3 cos x minus 2 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 2 cos x का integration directly become log denominator. Denominator is 3 sin plus 2 cos x as it is here. Okay? But when you cancel out this numerator and denominator, if you cancel, you will get only 1 into integration sign. So इसका integration we have to take. Now 1 is derivative of what? 1 is derivative of x. So integration of 1 become x. Okay, so x we have written here. Then 3 by 13 back to log 3 sin x plus 2 cos x as it is. So final answer 2 by 13 is 3 by 13 log 3 sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. This is your final answer. Okay, thank you. And one more thing, as I told you, I'll do one example for your homework. So I'll write one example. I'll do the hint also that how to simplify that example. So let's see one example. Okay. For this portion, I'll draw this portion. Okay. If you want, you can write that example. Okay. This is the example 4 e raised to x minus 25 divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5. In this example also we have to apply the same method, that is replacing numerator by a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Now you will have a question like, sir, this is not in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c sin x plus d cos x. This is not in the form in that our required form. Then why we are applying this method to this example also? But this method is applicable for one more type. The type is a e raised to x plus b divided by c e raised to x plus d dx. Your method, this method is applicable for that example, that type also. So a e raised to x plus b, c e raised to x plus b. This example, this type is this type of example. Right? Here also our target is to find the value of a and b by replacing your numerator by a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Okay? So let's see how to do that. Your numerator that we have to replace 2 e raised to x minus 5 with respect to a into derivative of derivative. What is that? Minus. Numerator is 4 e raised to x minus 25 we have to replace by a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. What is the derivative of the denominator? 2 add with e raised to x का derivative, e raised to x 5 का derivative 0. This is the derivative of denominator. Then to multiply here 2 e raised to x 5 into x become minus 5a plus 2b e raised to x. Now combine the coefficient of e raised to x, e raised to x. 2a plus 2b and e raised to x, e raised to x is common. Then what we have? Only minus 5a left. And here what we have? 4 e raised to x minus 25. Then compare the coefficient of e raised to x, e raised to x. 4 is the coefficient of x, e raised to x. And 2a plus 2b is coefficient of e raised to x. Then here minus 25 is constant term and here minus 5 is the constant term. So a का value minus minus 1 a directly you will get 5. So that 5 if I put here, so what I will get 2 into 5 plus 2b. So 2 into 5 is how much? 10. So 10 should be here, so what I will get 4 minus 10 equal to 2b. So what is the value of b? 4 minus 10 is how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2. So value of b you will get minus 3. So a and b we got. Correct? So a and b where we put? Here and here. Okay? So how do you write the function? Left side is 4 e raised to x minus 25 is equal to a. What is the a? A is 5. 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5. Correct? Then b. What is the b? B got minus 3. So that minus 3 into 2 e raised to x. So this is what we got. Okay? So let's rewrite the function by replacing this term by these two new terms. 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5 minus 3 2 times e raised to x dx divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5. Let's separate 2 e raised to x minus 5 by 2 e raised to x minus 5. Then minus the outside because of constant. Okay, we are separated the numerator for both the terms. Okay, now this cancels, so what we get? 5 into 1 dx minus 3. You can see derivative of 2 e raised to x is 2 e raised to x. Derivative of 5 is 0. So derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So we can directly write the integration to log 2 raised to x minus 5 plus c. And integration of this one also we know that is x. So this is how we got the answer or integration of the function. Answer is 5x minus 3 log 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. This is the integration of function integration 4 e raised to x minus 25 by 2 e raised to x minus 5. Okay? Thank you.